Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this channel, Everyday Data Science, is all about trying to learn the different concepts involved in data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, I am going to solve this question on LeetCode regarding find customers with positive revenue this year and try to walk you through how we can develop solutions in such problems. This question has been asked in Google interviews over the past couple of years. Okay, so let's jump right in. We are given a table called customers with three different columns: customer ID, year, and revenue. And the data type of all these three different columns is integer. The customer ID and year combined is the primary key for this table. And this table contains the customer ID and the revenue of customers in different years. And the revenue can be negative. Make sense? So we are asked to write a SQL query to report the customers with positive revenue in the year 2021. So basically we need to filter things, right? So for a particular year, we need to return the customers who had positive revenue. The order of the result does not matter. Okay, so let's go through this example. So if we are given this customers table with the following data, we are asked which all customers for the year 2021 had positive revenue, right? So just looking at this data, we have how many? 1, 2, and 3 rows for year 2021. And we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 different customers, right? 3 different years, 3 different rows where the year is 2021. Out of which, customer ID 1 2021 has a revenue of 30 units, which is obviously greater than 0. So we need to keep them. Customer ID 2 for the year 2021 has negative 50 as revenue, which is less than 0. So we don't need to keep it. And similarly for customer ID 4, we have for the year 2021, the revenue is greater than 0. So the final output should be 1 and 4, right? And this is what we get. Okay, so this question is very straightforward, and what we need to do is basically filtering, right? So from this table called customers, what do we need to do? We need to only keep those rows where the year column has a value 2021. So where year is equal to 2021 and the revenue should be greater than 0, because then only it says then only we are going to get customers with positive revenue, right? So and revenue is greater than 0. And now what do we need to return? The final table should return the customer IDs, right? So we return or select customer ID. Okay, so this looks good. Let me go ahead and run this and see if this works. Okay, so our solution is accepted. Our output is same as expected output. Let me submit this and see if it passes all the test cases. So yeah, this passes all the test cases and is accepted as well. So yeah, this is how we do and solve such problems. Remember, even though it might be daunting to know in the beginning that this question was asked in a Google interview, but sometimes companies just try to see and test your very basic knowledge about things, right? And that is why this question is very straightforward and very simple. All you need to do is filter. And how do we do filtering in SQL? One of the ways is using the where clause. There is another way, using the having clause. But let me know in the comment section what is the difference between and when is the situation when we use where clause versus the having clause. I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me know in the comment section if it was. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video.